Hi everybody, it's Hoda, co-founder and CEO of the Stock Card. It's May 22nd, the Wednesday, and I want to talk about Tesla. I've been watching the company for the past couple of days and months. The stock price is just hammered from the high of more than 300 down to now less than 200. Obviously, there's tons of things wrong with Tesla from an operational point of view. They're not profitable. They haven't been profitable for a long time. And more importantly, something that everybody's worried about, the company has a huge amount of debt and it doesn't generate any cash. So unprofitable, no cash, lots of debt. That's why when something goes wrong, investor panic and big funds start selling their Tesla shares. But something very interesting about the price as of now, there are tons of unclarity whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued. But if you look at the price to sales ratio of Tesla for the past 12 months, now at 190, it's only 1.5x the last 12 months price. So the stock is really being cheap now. I don't know what's going to happen with Tesla, but I'm very excited to watch and see what's happening. I own some shares, so I'm going to hold on to it. And that's why I follow this company on Stock Card to see what's going to happen. Thanks for staying with me for a while, and I'll see you next time.